is stock split? Stock split is also another type of bonus given by the company to its shareholders. In stock split, the company splits the face value of its shares. Remember, I told about face value in the initial video, in the IPO and the share capital video. You can also check out the I button which explains this video, and this is the thumbnail of that particular video. Now let's come back. So when the company splits the face value, say the face value is 10 rupees now, the company can say that it will make the face value to rupees 5. Now instead of one share of face value 10, you will now have 2 shares of face value rupees 5. It is similar to 1:1 bonus issue. In the stock split also, your wealth will remain same as the share price will get adjusted after the stock split, similar to bonus issue only. Now let us take an example. Say if you had 10 shares of a company and the market price before stock split was 3,000, so your total wealth is 30,000 rupees. Now after the stock split of face value from 10 rupees to 5 rupees, now you will have 20 shares and market price will become half from 3,000 to 1,500, and your total wealth will be 20 shares into 1,500 rupees, 30,000, same as before. And again, when the company performs better in the future, the share price will increase. Now if the stock split was done by reducing the face value from 10 rupees to 2 rupees, then you will have 5 shares of face value 2 rupees instead of 1 share of face value 10 rupees. So if you had 10 shares, you will now have 50 shares after the stock split. Market price before stock split was 3,000. Market price after stock split will be 3,000 divided by 5, which is 600. Wealth before stock split was 3,000 into 10, 30,000, and wealth after stock split will be 600 into 50, which is 30,000. So stock split is also done to encourage retail participation of the shareholders, and it is kind of a bonus issue only. So you can also check out the link in the description to understand the calculations even more better. So I hope now you understood what is meant by a stock split. Thank you.